It's your girl Shaman, it's your girl Mora, and today we have a special video for you guys. Today we're doing breakfast with mommy and me. Yes, we are, you guys. So this is a little special edition. Me and Mora will be doing breakfast today, you guys. A little quick, simple breakfast. Some pancakes with some eggs and
milk. I didn't make milk. I've got my milk. I ate the milk. They eat it. Put it in milk.
Well, she told y'all we're having some eggs today, some sausage, and some egg, sausage, and pancake, you guys. The mini ones from Mora. So I came up with this video today, you guys, because I know my daughter love cooking with me, you guys. Yeah, so today we're about to get it started. You guys, it's not actually morning, but it's the morning with us. So good morning. If you guys like our video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded. Yeah, you guys, so we finna get started. You ready to cook, mommy?
Let's cook.
High five. Yay. Kissy? Kissy?
I love you.
All right, I love you too, baby. All right, let's get it started. The ingredients that we need for the buttermilk pancakes, we just need water, you guys. But I love to add milk also. So 1 second, let's get our water. Okay, you guys, Mora is going to be.
There you go.
Wait. Yes. Okay, Mora is gonna pour. Go ahead, mommy. No, you gotta pour more, baby, more. Mora's gonna start pouring the pancakes, you guys. Go ahead, mommy. You guys, I don't measure because I just know what I'm doing, y'all. But if y'all want to, put it in. If you want to, you guys, the instructions are on the back, of course. It calls for 2 cups of dry mix and 1.5 cups of water, you guys. But as I told y'all, I know what I'm doing, so I just add the wet and dry ingredients until it's to my liking. And then next we got some water. You go pour it. There you go. We're gonna add some milk also, you guys. And then if it's not how I want them, I'm just gonna add more water. So we're gonna pour a little bit of milk. Do you see you, Mora? Okay. Mora's adding her milk. Well, this is more of a show, you guys. You can see Mora is mixing. Go ahead, mommy. Mix it, boom. Show you guys. Oh, wait, mommy. Wait. Before Mora mix, you guys, I'm putting my little ingredients in. I put a little bit of vanilla extract. Wait, mom. A little bit of vanilla. Some raw honey, you guys, because we love our pancakes sweet. A little bit of raw honey. And then we're going to add some brown sugar. If you guys haven't saw from the last video, my pack is broke, so. Is it working? It's not working. There we go. Yeah, it's broke, you guys, so I've been using it from the bottom. Mommy, you like cooking? You like cooking? Ooh. We're going to add a little bit of cinnamon, you guys. Guys, and here's the ground cinnamon. So, there we go. Just a little bit. Now stir it. Let me see. Can mommy help you?
Yeah.
You guys, it's definitely looking like we're gonna need more water. Go ahead, mommy, stir.
What?
Stir it. Show them more. Turn around, stir it. Yeah. We have to get some aprons, y'all. If y'all like our video, make sure y'all like and comment and subscribe and share this video also for all of my mommies with their sons or their daughters who love to cook with y'all. Come on, I help you. Look, y'all see? Till it gets like that, you guys. But if you would like it thicker, you know, add more pancake mix. If you guys would like it thinner, you know, add more water. I like it like this, you guys.
Yeah.
So, and And if you all want to add your fruits or whatever, do what you want to do. They're your pancakes. Do how you would like. Guys, we set the pancakes aside and we're going to start on our eggs. I have to find the right way to position this, y'all. So if it's not right, don't mind me. Okay, here, no. We put this aside. Okay, son is starting the eggs. Ready?
Ready?
So since me and Mora is the only ones eating, you guys, we're just going to do about 2 eggs. Go ahead, Mommy. You want me to break it? Bam. Yay, I did it. Okay. Crack. Yay. I did it. No, that's it. Oh, only 2. We're going to add our salt and pepper. You add the pepper. Show them, Mora. You add your pepper. Yes, Mommy, add some salt. Add the pepper. Add some more. No, Mommy don't need a lot of salt, okay? There you go. You guys, she loves using this freaking salt. 1 second. Guys, now we're finna add the cheese. Come on here, Mommy. Let's add the cheese. I'm so sorry that I don't have a good angle, you guys. Go ahead, add the cheese. No. Alright, now that we have the cheese in there, back up, Mommy. The cheese in there, you guys, all we're going to do is mix. Here, Mora, come on. Just going to mix the eggs, you guys. Okay, I'm going to open up the sausage. And we're going to add about, Mora, how many you want? This is too hot, you guys. Woo! That's why you do not let the kids over on the stove, you guys. I'm going to let her help me with the pancakes. Good. Alright, now that it's simmered down some, you guys, we're going to throw our pancakes in. Alright, you guys, I told you I was doing only mini pancakes, so I'm going to show you after I add them. 2, and then doing mini pancakes, a whole lot should be able to fit in there, probably 4 or 5. 3. Uh-oh, that one ugly. 4. That's really pretty. Alright, let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what they look like, you guys. And the sausage is over there. Mora, I have a few questions for you. Okay, Mora, I have a question. How old are you? You're not 3. Okay, Mora, how old are you? Tell the camera. How old are you, Mora? No, you gotta tell them. How old are you?
2.
Yay! Say, guys, I'm 2. Yes, you guys, she just turned 2 in February 12th to be exact. If you guys don't know, if you guys are new and you guys are just watching our channel, my baby is 2 years old. Her birthday is February 12th, the day after mine, so that will make mine February 11th. So we Aquarius twins or no? Yay! The sausage is done. Sausage done. It's time to take the pancakes out, you guys. I trashed 2 pancakes because the butter that I call myself trying to use, y'all, wasn't giving. And you get a little crispy edges, so don't play with it. Well, I'm making the pancakes, you guys. Mora is about to just stay on the freaking phone. I think she gave up on me. Yeah. Girl, any other time you be wanting to cook with your mom. I had to switch to the real butter, you guys. No, Mommy. You gotta turn that down. There you go. Alright, your girl had to switch to... That's how the pancakes supposed to sizzle, y'all. You're not cooking no more. Wait a minute. Then she's gonna be back. Alright, you guys, we're about to continue to make these pancakes, and then I'll be back with you when we're about to start with the eggs. Alright, you guys, the pancakes are done. This is what they're looking like. This is what they're looking like. We're going to sit these in the microwave. So be right back, you guys. Okay, Mora's going to put the butter in the pot. Good job. No. I told you no cooking. No cooking on the stove. So while we let this pot warm up, Mora's over there eating butter again. Still in butter again. Okay, our pot is good and warmed up, you guys. Mora stirred up the eggs, and now in the eggs go. Good job, Mora. Yes. Okay, we have to put this in the sink. Give these eggs a little stir. And y'all know eggs take about 2 minutes, not even. Cheese eggs to be exact. You ready to eat, girl? You ready to eat? High five, baby. Yes, boo. Yeah, you ready to eat? Want to sit down with them and do a little baby mukbang? You guys, that didn't even take 2 minutes. Look at this. Eggs are done, period. Okay, we're about to plate our food. Here's the food, and we're about to start plating. Mora, how many you want? 2? 2 pancakes? 2? Okay, 2 pancakes for Mora, and 3 pancakes for Mommy. We're gonna do our sausage. Gonna do our eggs, you guys. Daddy's in the room sleep, so. And this is the finishing look of our food. Show her. Show them your food, Mora. Show them. And this is the finishing of our food. This is what it looks like. You want syrup? All right. Here, you go get some. She wanna be grown, you guys. Okay, good. Enough. All right. You guys, and this is the end of our breakfast with Mommy and me. It's good, right? Good. No. Yummy in your tummy? Let's try the pancakes. Go ahead, you try your sausage. More, we did that. Period. We did that. We did that, y'all. But this is the end of our video. It's your girl Sham and your girl Mora. Say your girl Mora. Say Mora. It's your girl Sham and it's your girl Mora. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all stay tuned for more videos. Because we'll be back. When we be back. We love you guys. Bye. Say